to...
You are forbidden from my master's domain, mortals. Beware. Mortals, hurl yourselves into your own demise.
Down.
Kill this shard body.
Okay, consequence taking the next one. Get a little bit behind you, Cons. The other way, go the other way, go the other way.
Kill the tank bot.
Benedict going out.
On me, running around. Okay, going.
Bundle in place. Oh, they got past me. Step out with. Oh no.
Take it. Jelly, can you get in there?
Kill the shard body.
Coming up.
You want me to start it
I
off?
got this next one. I got this. I got it. Consequence has this one. I'm gonna run, trying to make him around. Is somebody over there? Okay, moving out now.
Kill the tank bot.
Lots of people are out.
Pile off and take.
Beware.
Shard's on me. You want me to start it?
Buzz.
Yeah.
I'm starting it off.
I'll take it when you just run.
I'm gonna go to. I gotta go to 8. Okay, I'm stepping out.
Okay.
Oh, dude, you gave it to
Big
Highland.
heals.
I'm in place.
You know what? I'm gonna take it after you, Hyloth.
Grendel, I'm gonna step.
Consequence has it.
Okay, consequence.
Oh shit.
Can someone get him up?
Quick.
Still got a map.
Picking Arch up now.
Looks like I'm taking it up again. I'm gonna die.
Misdirect to him.
It doesn't matter, he's not gonna have the...
I still have the stacks, just healing it.
Kill the shard body if you don't die.
Who's got the shard? Who's got the shard? It's just jumping around.
Okay.
I'll take it.
15%.
Down.
It's alright. I lost before taking
Grindel, get it quick. I'm gonna die.
Got.
I'm in place to... 15%.
Dude hit me hard towards the fucking end. I mean, you hit me that time for 78k overkill. About 1 fucking mil almost.
Hey Vadi, did you find that he sort of dropped rapidly, or was it harder to keep him up? What happened there?